On my Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, today I'll be installing a couple of accessories. I'll be installing a black headlight grille and an adventure bar pad. Let's start by unboxing these items. Right when you open the box to the headlight grille, you can see the grille right here. There's a bracket, a couple spacers maybe, and it looks like about 6 bolts. I'll pull up this cardboard and see if there's anything else in there. It looks like Ian or someone signed off, maybe quality control, or saying they put all the parts in. This is with that cardboard pulled out. All you're seeing is the back side of those items that you saw from the front. There was nothing else in the box. Here you can see the part code, KXA00444. The handlebar pad is also a genuine accessory from Royal Enfield. The packaging could have been a little bit better on this. It was just inside of a little plastic sleeve, and when I used my knife to cut the box open, actually, you can see I put just a little scratch in it. I can't even catch my fingernail on it, but in the right light you can catch it, but from further away, doesn't look too bad. If I had opened the bottom side of the box, it wouldn't have scratched it. And I'll show the part code for the handlebar pad. It is KXA00402. One of my concerns with the handlebar pad is there's this USB-C charging port. I don't know if I can get down low enough to show it. There it is. And I'm hoping that when this pad goes on there, that it won't cover that port. So this pad has the shape or cutouts in it to fit right over the handlebar risers. And then you can see it also has just a Velcro strap. So all you have to do to put this on is push it down over the risers and then attach the Velcro strap, and that's it. That's where it's going to sit. Here's the Velcro on the front side, coming around to the back side. Just going to take and tuck this under the handlebar, and then we'll attach it up there. I'm going to have to set the camera down to do this. I need both hands. Okay, and now the Velcro strap is attached. And that's it. The handlebar pad is installed. Now let's try to take a close look and see if we can still get to our USB-C charging port. If I can get my camera to focus on it here. It's a little hard to get to with the pad right here, but it is still accessible, so that's good. Let me know in the comments what you think about this handlebar pad. So if you're riding along and instead of hitting the handlebars, now you would hit this pad. I definitely wouldn't do that if it was just the handlebars. Alright, so I just looked up the instructions for this headlight guard, and this installation is a lot more in depth. A lot of parts have to come off, so you'll have to stay tuned. I'm going to have a second video showing the installation of the headlight guard. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.